let me start that over. Alright guys, we're loading up right now, loading up. Yeah. Let me get in the thing. Get in it. My mom, Wellness Club. Okay. All right. This is move-in day, so exciting. All right. I just got finished packing the car. You know, my mom got some stuff in it, and I'm getting in mine. It's got a lot of stuff in it. You know, yeah. Not to mention the trunk, but yeah. And now we're about to be on our way. I actually just got an email from my roommate, so I'm excited. All right, we'll update you later. Hey guys, also I was supposed to put my bike on the back. As you can see, it's not there. It's still upstairs. I only live like an hour away from UGA, or 2 hours almost, but so I'm just gonna come back and get that bike stuff set up. And I still got some stuff. I know I still got a little bit of stuff here and there I need to bring, so don't worry about that. So okay, we're at the dorm, about to scope it out just to prepare to see what we're gonna do with the room. Oh, here's the bike rack. This is where my bike is gonna be housed. I already did. So yeah. It's cold. I got a shorts. Oh my god. Alright guys, we just got off the elevator. So okay. Alright guys, we're taking the wagon. Oh, my butt, you can't see my mom. Maybe that'd be nice. Oh, I should have went over there. Aesthetic. We see what's happening. Guys just got done. We just got done, you know, trying to straighten the bed or fix the bed up. Yeah, my mom said this green is giving incarcerated, but this is what we're working with for now. So I'm on top of the world right now.